Hi guys, it's Shayla here. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. This is a collab with Madison Strickland and Emma Strickland. You guys should totally go check out their channels. Their links are in the description, and if you're on a desktop or laptop, they're popping up on the screen. Without any further ado, let's make some slime. Emma, why don't you scooch in?
Fine.
Okay guys, so we have Maddie and an Emma.
I'm gonna fix this. I'm sorry. Here, I'm gonna speed over this.
Okay.
A Maddie and an Ella and get a Shayla.
And then we have me as always. So we have gloves on because we're going to be making slime. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is glue. 1, 2, 3. We each have our own glue bottle. And we each have our own bowl with plastic wrap because we don't want to have to deal with cleaning it. Oh my gosh, my hair is sticking to my gloves. Okay.
Did you say this was a collab?
Yeah, I already did.
Okay.
So we're going to just pour glue on it. Here. So we put water in our glue bottle and we're gonna shake it up to get all the residue out.
I'm always the last one.
Because Emma was cleaning up Shayla's mess.
Hey.
They spilled some borax on the floor. She said, I don't want my copper to die. Can't consume this. Okay.
Oh, my hair looks.
Okay,
So does mine.
I've got that done. So
Oh, we are supposed to put that much water in it?
yeah.
Oh, dang.
Okay, now we're gonna just like mix it up.
Slow-mo. It sounds like pee. I'm just kidding.
All my
There. That satisfies me. It all came out. Perfect. Okay. Now, on to the next step.
So we're using a plastic fork to evenly mix it up.
It's so runny.
Just keep mixing.
Did you put the bowl?
No.
No, not yet. This is just glue and water.
Okay, might be. Let's mix up all the way. Ew, that looks so like weird. It looks like milk.
It does. We should pour this in Emma's cereal for a prank. I'm just kidding. Killer.
Oh yeah, and kill me.
Oh, I get it. Killer. I was gonna say killer. What's that? Killer?
It already looks like yours is mixed up.
It does.
Mine?
Mhm.
It's not. Because I was shaking it around a little. I'm afraid I'm going to poke a hole.
And that's still your kid.
Should put.
Dude, it looks like there's a hole in my bag.
It probably is.
Should I lift it up and look?
It's okay. No, don't.
Oh, it's still filming.
Like, I mean like this.
It's still filming. I'll never cut it. You might want to turn it
no.
off.
It doesn't matter.
What was that song I used to sing all the time?
Oh, I remember. Hard Knocks. By Hard Knocks.
Yeah.
You remember she used to be obsessed with that one song?
Oh,
Fireball.
Fireball.
No, and there was Nasty Freestyle. I used to be obsessed with that one too.
Shayla did too.
But that song was so old. It is.
It's not a good song.
You're gonna spill that river, Sheila.
I hope Destiny don't get on the table.
I do too.
Oh.
Oh, that's not enough.
Okay, guys, we're pouring borax into our some hot water.
You just like pour it. You can
No.
much faster.
It's supposed to be a certain amount. Like that?
Yeah.
It's
Like over the water, so it don't like go on the table.
What's wrong? We'll wipe it off.
Oh, wipe it off.
Okay. Now you gotta mix up your water and let your borax completely dissolve.
Ooh, it looks like you just mixed some milk and water too. Volcano!
You mean
I mean,
tornado?
yeah.
Whirlpool? You mean?
It's a something dangerous. That's created by Shayla Nature. No, Shayla Nature.
Okay,
I'm
so
hoping you're
here,
an
do you want to
admin.
mix?
I was hoping you're an